Bitcoin is right now breaking towards the downside, but you should not be getting fooled right here. You should not be getting trapped because 99% of the Bitcoin traders are right now about to get fooled, and I want to make sure that you guys are not one of them. We will be having a look into some very important, very nice Bitcoin charts, and one thing is for sure, well, volatility is going to be imminent. We are seeing major squeezes on all time frames happening. And tomorrow, we will be getting our CPI data getting released. This data, which we are expected to get from our consensus and forecast, is actually looking pretty bullish. So are we going to be seeing a similar event, just like right here being created? Or are we going to be seeing this huge dump happening? Well, let's talk about that exactly. And one thing is for sure, yes, we did get these major breakdowns on the smaller time frame patterns. Now, because of these breakdowns, I'd like to have a look into some support levels, because this horizontal green support level is going to be acting as major support for Bitcoin right now. Definitely, if we are going to be reaching this level, which we can be even extending a bit more to the left, and as you can be seeing, this support level has been very significant for the past. So definitely, if we are going to be reaching this support level, I would be expecting some kind of a bounce. Now, what I honestly love to see right now happening for Bitcoin is that if we were to be reaching back towards this green support level with at the same time creating a bullish divergence on the MACD indicator on either the 4-hourly or on the 1-hourly time frame, well, if we are going to be reaching this support level and at the same time creating strength on the MACD indicator, well, that is going to be the moment where I'm going to be interested in opening up a long position potentially. So straight away, there you have it. That is my updated game plan right now, and I will be explaining exactly why I am right now interested in opening up this long position. Well, first of all, of course, we are still trading in this daily uptrend. So technically, the Bitcoin charts are still looking bullish. And that is also the reason why I am definitely also still bullish. We, of course, got this amazing bounce from off previous resistance, right now flipping in towards support. And once again, we are bouncing from this support. So definitely, if we can get a lot of people wrecked right now by a lot of late people that are shorting the market right now because of this breakdown we are getting from this symmetrical triangle, well, do keep in mind, a lot of people have opened a short position at this moment. So if we can be bouncing from this support level right here and creating a sign of strength with a MACD bullish divergence, well, that is going to be the moment where I am willing to be stepping back in towards the market and open up my long position. Now, I do think there is a pretty high likelihood of us actually going all the way back down towards this support level. Why? Is because the funding rates are still very positive on at least Bybit and Binance. So that of course means that a lot of people are willing to open up long positions still at these current levels and at the current moment. So that is the reason why probably we will be stopping out all of these late shorters right here and first of all reach this target. But on the higher time frames, we can perfectly see right now a rejection occurring from this 675-day downtrending resistance. We are getting this rejection right now from this level, and this is just further solidifying this resistance level. And it's only giving more importance towards this level. Because whenever we are going to be breaking out right now, whenever we are going to be breaking above, well, we are going to be seeing a huge breakout, a huge green candle. So it is only given more importance towards this level. We just need to be breaking above this level. This has been the most important level for a very long time for me already, just like the 31k level of resistance. These two levels of resistance have been most important for me, in my opinion. We just want to be breaking above these levels, and because of this recent rejection we just got, well, it is only given more importance towards these levels. And every single day it becomes more likely that we will be breaking all of these resistances towards the upside, because the Bitcoin chart is getting squeezed. There is literally no volatility at all. All of these time frames and all of these patterns, all of these indicators are right now pointing all towards the same direction, that a huge move is going to be imminent. Now, of course, tomorrow we are going to be getting our inflation rate and core inflation rate as well getting released, which is looking kind of bullish, just like I talked about in the previous few days. The core inflation rate is expected to drop quite a significant bit, but the normal CPI inflation rate is really not moving and going anywhere. So, of course, in my opinion, that is still pretty good. Pretty bullish. The core inflation rate is where the Federal Reserve is really looking towards, and that one is expected to decrease. So that is looking very bullish in my opinion, and we can definitely expect once again a pump happening towards the upside, just like these previous 2 times. Now, Jim Cramer right here yesterday talking about Bitcoin going down big. And well, if you do not know already who Jim Cramer is, he is basically known for calling the market in the opposite direction. Because every single time he has been bearish on Bitcoin, well, it has only gone up. A few months ago as well, Jim Cramer was bullish on a few banks, and just a few days after, well, these banks have collapsed. So Jim Cramer is kind of a meme right here in the crypto space, and last time Jim Cramer was publicly bearish on Bitcoin, well, it was trading at about $17,000. So this is absolutely huge. Take this signal with a bit of a grain of salt, but of course, this is kind of funny to have a look in towards. Now, one thing that is actually quite bullish is that Paul Tudor Jones has also come out and publicly stated that he once again is bullish on Bitcoin and also on gold. And last time around he did this, well, it was just after the major market crash right here. And right now, again, he is publicly endorsing Bitcoin. So that once again is a very huge signal. And we are getting right into the end of these interest rate hikes, the acceptance of 8 spot Bitcoin ETFs, the Bitcoin halving, and all of this is set to occur within the next 6 months. And Bitcoin is still sitting at about 27k. So I think Bitcoin is still very cheap at these levels. All of the bullish developments that are happening right now are so bullish, and October is only up by about 0.5%. Historically speaking, October has been a very bullish month. I definitely do think we can still see some more improvements, and we can definitely see some kind of a bounce happening, and this month very bullish. So do not get fooled right now in the imminent short term. I just think this is a huge bear trap. And guys, if you want to know more and engage with me, make sure to join my free Telegram public group chat, because I'm giving out a lot of free alpha. I'm answering your guys' public questions, and in the future, this public trading group will be one of the most active, most profitable, and nicest communities to be in. So make sure to join this one right here with this link that you can find on my Twitter profile. And guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.